Third grade, I want to just do a quick video to review what we were talking about with our money. We're also going to do our division, but I wanted to do this really quickly because it's something that is a necessary reminder so that we're learning how to count that money out carefully. So we did today $11.52. So remember, we are going to look and we've got $10, $5, $1, 25 cents, 10 cents, 5 cents, and 1 cent. So we need to look at our money amount that we have, and we said it's $11.52. So when we're thinking $11, we want to get as close to 11 as we can. The only thing in our dollar amount, because we're only going to look at the dollar side right now, the only thing in our dollar amount that's closest to 11 would be what? It's going to be 10, right? So we would put, how many 10s are in 11? There's only one 10 in 11, so we're going to put a 1 under the $10 place because we could get a $10 bill. How many $5 bills do we need? Because we have to remember, if we want 11, how far is 10 away from 11? We should know with our numbers when we're counting, how far is 10 from 11? It's only 1, so how many 5s is that away? No 5s. There aren't going to be any 5s because when I'm counting from 10 to 11, all I need is a $1 bill. So if I have a $10 bill with a $1 bill, that's going to give me my $11. Okay, so $11 is done. Now I've got to figure out 52 cents. And remember, when we are doing these, do we want to start all the way down here and go, oh, I need 52 pennies? No, that would be way too many pennies. We don't even want to go and say, oh, let's see, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Oh, I can give 10 nickels and then 2 pennies. Why would somebody want 10 of those? We want to go to the biggest amount. We want to make sure that person gets the biggest coins that they can get, the largest amount of coin. 25 cents is as high as we can get. So 25 plus 25, how many 25s do we need? 25. And then what is 2 groups with 25? That's 50. And isn't that what we want to get to? We want to get to 52, but in order to get to 52, we have to first get to 50. So how many 25s would that be? That would be 2 25s. 25 plus 25 equals 50. And then how many dimes would we need to get to 52? If we were at 50, I don't need any dimes. How many nickels do I need? Oh yeah, I don't need any nickels. I just need 2 pennies. So instead of giving somebody 52 coins or $11 bills or 10 coins or 10 with 2 more or even 5 with 2 more, I can give 2 coins and 2 more and 1 $10 bill and 1 $1 bill in order to get to $11.52. All right, we're going to do another amount. Let's try $47.86. $47.86. So remember, I want to look at my largest amount because that's going to give me the fewest, pieces of paper or coin in my hand. So I want to go as high as I possibly can go and start there and work my way down. So if I need 47, how many $10 would I need? I would need, 4. You know what? We're going to make it even better. We're going to go ahead and give you the chance to give that person $20 bills. So that would be even fewer because then I don't have to give 4. How many $20 bills do I need to get to 47? I would just need 2, right? So that alleviates me giving 4 bills. I can give 2. But how do I get to 7? This is 2040. Then do I do a 10? 2040 plus 10, 50. Oh, wait. That's too big. So I can't do, oops, I forgot I was doing these in pink. Sorry. So 2 here. How many 10s? I'm not going to use 10s. How many 5s do I need? 40, 45, 40. Well, if I did another 5, it would be 50. Oh yeah, we can't go to that. So how many 5s? 1 5. How many $1 bills? So count with me. 20, 40, still 40, 45. We still need to get to 47. 2 $1 bills, 46, 47. Then we come over, we start with our largest coin so that we can have the fewest coins in our hand, okay? We don't want, 86 pennies. We don't want 8 dimes or, we want the smallest, the fewest coins in our hand that we can possibly have. So we're going to start with 25. We already know that 25 twice is 50. So are we just going to do 2? Oh, some of you are yelling at me. 50, and then we could do 60, 70, 80. We could do 3 of these. Well, 3rd grade, remember what I told you? If I have 3 10s, 10, 20, 30, is 25 somewhere between 10 and 30? If I count from 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Was 25 in there? So if there's a 25 in there, that means there's a quarter in there. So instead of doing 3 dimes, I'm going to do 3 quarters. 25, 50. Because remember what I taught you in the beginning of the year. Quarters are the easiest. Besides half dollars, quarters are the easiest because it goes 25, 50, 75, $1. 25, 50, 75, $1. 25, 50, 75, $1. Like it just keeps going. So think that through. So we're at 75, but we need to get to 86. 75 plus 10 would be 85. So then how many nickels do we need? None. How many pennies do we need? If we're at 85, we only need 1. Do you see that? So that makes these so easy to do. Start with a larger amount, work your way down, count it out. 20, 40, 45, 46, 47. $47 and 25, 50, 75, 85, 85, 86. $47.86. That's the easy way of doing that, okay? So think carefully. All right, now I'm going to just wipe all of this away really quickly, and we're going to look at your division problems that we did today, and I want you to think carefully. You know how to do these. It's the same 5 steps of division. You better get up and do it with me. Divide, multiply, subtract, compare, bring down. Those same steps that we did way back in the beginning for division are the same steps that we use for this. We look, and the first thing that we do is look at our first digit. Okay? You don't need to put a line here, but this is what I'm doing so that you'll remember. You're not going to go into 853. No, we don't need to go that far yet. All we need to do is look and see how many 6s are in just our 8. So when we have that number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, how many groups of 6 are in there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, circle. 1, 2, there's not another 8. So how many groups of 6 are there? 1. We put the 1 on top. And then we put our little multiplication sign outside the house on the edge, and our pickle, so that we'll remember to multiply. 1 times 6 equals 6. Where does that answer go? Right underneath. That's why I put this line here to help us to know. It goes right under your 8 so that you can subtract, divide, multiply, subtract. 8 minus 6 equals 2. Write it right underneath so it all goes in that straight line. Then compare. So draw an arrow from the 2 to the 6 to make sure that this number here is smaller than my divisor. If it's not smaller, then I didn't do this right. Okay? If I said, oh, there's no 6's in 8, 0 times 6 equals 0, 8 minus 0 equals 8, is 8 bigger than 6? It is. So I knew, no, I did it wrong. I've got to change my answer. So that's why we compare. After we compare, we bring down. Now I have a new number, 25. And that's what I'm going to divide now with my 6. I'm going to see how many 6's are in 25. 25 divided by 6 equals. Has to be close to 25 but can't go over 25. So count by 6's until you say something close to 25. Or you're going to have to make 25 marks and circle every group of 6. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. Oh, wait, I went over 25. I can't go over 25. 6, 12, 18, 24. Oh, you want to check it again? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 45. This is the biggest cheat code I told you guys. And then you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Circle. 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 Oops, I think I did it wrong because there should be one up there. But anyway, I'm going to circle all of those and I see how many circles I have. Oh yeah, that's what we said when we counted. 6, 12, 18, 24. We said it was 4. My 4 goes right in that line that we have going. So 25 divided by 6 equals 4. Now I have to multiply my newest number in my newest box. 6 times 4 equals 24. That's what we just counted. 4, 8, 12, 16, 6, 12, 18, 24. That's what we just counted. So 24. Subtract 25 minus 24. It's 1. Compare. Is 1 less than 6? It is. So we bring down, because after we divide, then we have to multiply, then we have to subtract, then we compare, then we bring down. Then if we bring something down, we've got to divide all over again, multiply all over again, subtract all over again, compare all over again, bring down all over again. Oh, that's where I brought down my next numbers. So because I'm bringing down, that means I have to divide all over again. Every time I bring down another number, I have to start dividing all over again. So now the same 5 steps of division: divide, multiply, subtract, compare, bring down. We have to do again. 13 divided by 6 this time. Count by 6's till you get close to 13 but not over it, or make 13 marks, circle every group of 6. 6, 12, 18, oh wait, that's already too big. 6, 12. Oh, some of you may not get that, so you need to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, circle. How many circles do we have? 2. That's what we came up with. 6, 12. So where does my answer always go? On the top. When I figure out my division answer, my quotient always goes on top. Now I take my newest number in my newest box on the end and I multiply that by my outside number. They always get multiplied by the same number. 2 times 6 equals, we just counted it, 2, 12. Then I subtract. 13 minus 12 equals 1. I have to compare for the third time. 3 arrows. Is there anything left to bring down? Nothing. So if there's nothing left to bring down, now I'm finally done because there's nothing else to bring down again. So this can't hang out down here though. You can't just have a number randomly hanging out. So what does he have to do? He becomes our remainder, our period 1. Now we take our whole number on the top, 142, and we multiply it by our divisor. Quotient times the divisor, which is 6. That's what we're dividing by. 2 times 6, 12. Carry over the 1, put a plus sign. 6 times 4, 24, plus 1, 25. 5 comes down. Bring over the 2, put a plus sign. 6 times 1, 6, plus 2 equals 8. Oh, but it's not the same. Don't forget the remainder. What do we do with our remainder? We add it. So add the 1. 2 plus 1, 3. 5 plus 0, 5. 8 plus 0, 8. And does this equal this? Then we know we've done it correctly. So remember your 5 steps of division. Divide, multiply, subtract, compare, bring down. You've got to know those in order to do this division. Is it any harder than we've done before? Not at all. Don't you dare say yes. It's just longer, not harder, just longer. So you follow the same steps that we've done and figure out your answer. You can do it. I believe in you. You believe in you too. All right, get it done and work carefully. Love you. See you later.